Been wanting to get one of these for a while. I don't know what he is, but he's kind of rare. There he is. He keeps going down there getting a worm and coming back up on the fence. Let's see if he comes back. There he is. It's hard to get him because it's through my window, but that's a rare little bird, I know. I'll find out what it is. Put it in the description for y'all. See if I can get him for about 20 more seconds here. Out there on my fence post, he's just having a glorious little time. Just having a glorious little time. Oh, there's two of them. Other guys right there. There's two of them. Let's see what he looks like. Kind of blurry because it's through my window. It's kind of. He keeps moving. He's a smart little guy. Sorry about that. Now there's the catbird, meaner than the rat to all the other birds. He run that other guy off. Alright then, interesting things. I just saw that guy and I had to get him. He's right here again looking at me. That's strange. Bear with me, y'all. Let me see if I can move this without making y'all dizzy. Where'd he go? He keeps coming up to that fence. Come on back up to the fence, man. Alright then. So, April the 16th, 2018. And we're going to get down this week, probably Thursday, Friday. So probably 19th, 20th. We're going to get down there and check the gifting area. It did storm last night profusely and pretty bad. So pretty windy, and there look like to be trees down there. We'll have to go check it out. But I got some different heavier rocks. They're cooler. I'll show them to you when we go down there, and we'll check on those first, and we'll put these other ones out. I just want to give you a sit rep what's going on with me. But I'm still going. I've been uploading videos tonight, so thank you for my new subscribers. I keep getting new subscribers, people I don't know. And thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe me, please. Thank you very much. Like I said, thank you to everybody that's subscribing to me. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Alright, interesting things. Peace out.